Is this a good tone? Is it echoey in here? I think it's a Sorento, right? Let me see. Today we got a 2023 Kia Sorento. First thoughts on this when we actually just kind of test drove it, see how it feels. This car overall actually is really comfortable. Pretty stylish for a Kia, like honestly. I know he's getting like a tent system going on, but overall it's a pretty nice compact SUV. I don't know if it's a CUV market, but overall it's a pretty great ride. We drove around, pretty good power. I think it's a 4-cylinder turbo, but overall, I mean, I'm kind of digging it. I mean, you got captain chairs in the back, dude. That's pretty cool. 2 back is for like Paul, but overall, it's pretty good, dude. I mean, you know, the all-wheel drive system's kind of cool. I can see how it saves gas. Starts you off in all-wheel drive, and then once you get to cruising speed, looks like it just sends power to the front. For a daily, like day-to-day car, everyday use, I think it's like an 8. It seems like it's pretty practical, it's good. Off-road wise, we still haven't tested that. Bring this guy out to the desert with us and see how it does. But overall, dude, this thing's pretty dope. Plastic corn dog right here, dude. I'll show you my trick, but I can't do it with this.
The famous Rex trick, putting corn dogs up his butt. All right, we'll see you back at the shop.
I don't care about the road mics. You need him to hold this for me. Because if you see his screensaver when I call him, it's me holding an 18-inch corn dog. What's going on? We're in the shop. We're here with our 23 Kia Sorento. We're going to be upgrading these front brakes. Today we're going to be putting our 6-piston 356 slotted only rotors, painted red finish. It's going to give a nice big pop behind this black wheel. You know, the white car, black wheels, nice contrast, give it a little extra, you know, something to look at inside that wheel. All right, now that we talked about what's going on here, let's jump in on it and cut to the B-roll.